Let's turn the page now and take a look at your forecast. We know we can expect to see some snow tonight. The big question, when? For some people, they are already seeing snow. This is some video from Blowing Rock area thanks to our chief meteorologist, Brad Panovich. He is there as part of the Winterfest event happening this weekend. Let's go ahead and check in with meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees. Brittany, what's the latest on this forecast?
Well, Fred, we here in the Charlotte Metro will start to see that rain changing over to snow by about 8 and 9 o'clock. Right now, it is actively snowing, like you mentioned, and like you saw there, up toward the mountains and then switching over in the foothills. And it's this cold front here, this piece of energy and the low offshore that are going to combine and create quite a mess, nor'easter for the New England states. But here, really today is our biggest impact in terms of active rain and snow. Tomorrow morning, we'll watch out for those icy and slick spots. So here's what's happening right now. You can see rain for Charlotte over toward western parts there, up toward Hickory. You can see Catawba County, Lincoln County, Gaston County. But then you go up toward Ashe, Watauga, and Avery counties. Those spots just seeing snow. The changeover still actively happening for Caldwell, Burke, and even northern parts there of Wilkes County. But for most of the Charlotte metro region and area south and east, we are at least for now just seeing the chance for some straight rain, at least for now. So here we are actively on Futurecast. Notice what happens as we approach 8 and 9. The front continues to slide toward the south and east, and that allows for that quick changeover. Pockets of heavy rain quickly switching over to pockets there of just some big, fat, wet snowflakes. Accumulation still expected about 1 to 2 inches for most of the Charlotte metro area. And tomorrow morning, if you are going to be up exceptionally early, 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Still a few flakes lingering for parts there east and south of the Queen City. But by 6, 7 o'clock, once you're waking up with us on Wake Up Charlotte weekend, we will not be tracking any active snowfall, but we will be watching again for those slick and icy spots. So most of the area of Charlotte East will likely see about 1 to 2 inches. Pockets of 3 not out of the question because of the changeover happening so quickly. We could have some quick bursts of heavy snow. If you're on the south and western side there of Charlotte, so York County, Lancaster County, Chester County, all the way over toward western parts of Lincoln County, as well as southwestern areas of Catawba County and even Cleveland County there, most likely a trace to an inch. But of course, the highest totals up toward the mountains, lowest elevations 2 to 4. Highest elevations peaking around 6 inches. And of course, we'll have plenty of energy there with the system tonight and really to move upwards and across the eastern seaboard and impact areas such as the New England states with that nor'easter heading towards Saturday and Sunday. But we have plenty of energy tonight, even enough instability, although we are seeing the snow potential to get at least a small chance of a little bit of thunder snow. Now, of course, thunder snow occurs when we have a little bit enough instability in the atmosphere and really high lapse rates. But the reason why it can often be heard a little bit louder, maybe than just a normal thunderstorm that we might see during summertime. There's a warm inversion at the mid levels of the atmosphere. So once you start to hear that thunder, it kind of bounces between that ground level and the warm inversion back and forth. And not only can be enough that you'll hear it if you're going to be outside, maybe trying to see those snowflakes for yourself, but also it could be loud enough to even wake you up. So just keep that in mind heading toward this evening. Now, if you are trying to see it, your best time to get out there and try to experience that for yourself will be likely after midnight. So you may have to stay up a little bit later. And really, once the system passes by, the biggest change heading toward this weekend is how downright cold it's going to be. Our Futurecast wind chill, when you combine the temperature and the breezy wind conditions behind this frontal boundary, we're going to feel in the morning tomorrow like the teens in the Piedmont, but below zero for the mountains, and they're actually going to experience those below zero feels like temperatures for the entirety of the day. So if you're like Brad and you're heading up to Winterfest, you really need to bundle up. This weekend is going to be one that will be exceptionally cold. And then Sunday morning, we're in the teens for overnight lows, but warming up a bit in the afternoon to the mid 40s. Wind will die down, and we're on a slow climb back to near 60 degrees for the middle of the work week.
Brittany, thank you.